Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Dude. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting new gaming laptops of 2025, the Asus TUF Gaming A16 FA608WV. This beast packs serious AI power, gaming performance, and future-ready features. Let's break it down. Starting with the build, the TUF A16 keeps Asus's rugged military-grade design, but trims the weight down to just 2.2 kilograms. It's sleek, solid, and very portable for a 16-inch gaming laptop. The keyboard is backlit with a one-zone RGB setup, and yes, there's a dedicated Copilot key for instant AI access. Inside, it's a powerhouse. We're looking at the latest AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 with 12 cores and 24 threads, and clock speeds up to 5.1 GHz. This chip also features AMD's XDNA NPU, delivering up to 50 TOPS for AI tasks. So yeah, it's ready for Copilot plus PC experiences coming later this year. Graphics-wise, it's loaded with an RTX 4060 laptop GPU, clocked at up to 2,420 MHz with 140 watts TGP. Whether you're gaming, editing, or running AI workloads, this combo crushes it. Memory-wise, it comes with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7,500 MHz, soldered, so keep that in mind. Storage is a speedy 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD with extra M.2 slots if you want to upgrade later. Port selection is on point. USB 4, USB-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, HDMI 2.1, RJ45 LAN, and even Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth 5.3. Whether you're streaming, gaming online, or docked at a workstation, this has you covered. The 16-inch display is a WUXGA IPS panel. That's 1920 by 1200 with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. It's 144 Hz, with G-Sync and advanced Optimus. Basically, smooth gameplay, vibrant visuals. Keyboard and touchpad backlit Chiclet. Keyboard one-zone RGB touchpad with Copilot key. Powerful components require powerful cooling. So we've equipped the TUF Gaming A16 with a whole suite of technology to keep it running at peak performance. From the second-generation ArcFlow fans inspired by aircraft engines to a full-width heatsink and integrated dust filters, powering all of this is a 90 watt-hour battery with a 240 watt fast charger included. And audio? Dolby Atmos with AI noise cancellation, a 2-speaker system, and high-res audio support. It's immersive, clear, and loud. Security is solid with Windows Hello via a 1080p IR camera, a Pluton security processor, and Asus's own BIOS protections. So, who's this laptop for? Gamers, content creators, and AI enthusiasts who want a future-proof laptop with both power and portability. With Copilot Plus support rolling out in late 2024, this is one of the few laptops truly ready for the next wave of Windows AI integration. The Asus TUF Gaming A16 FA608WV is a smart investment if you're looking to game hard, work fast, and be AI ready.